Windsurfers battle insane 81 mph gusts during weather bomb Red Bull storm chase. Stone of Australia performs at the Red Bull storm chase in Maggiororty, Ireland on March 12, 2019. For 3 years, 8 of the best windsurfers in the world waited for a storm fierce enough to test their mettle. It finally happened this week on a gale-blasted beach of the North Atlantic in County Donegal, Ireland. Storm Gareth, when the competition ended in the most brutal conditions, Australian Stone stood atop the podium. Stone and his fellow contestants braved 81 mph gusts and 26-foot waves in frigid water on Tuesday, the final day and the roughest. The air temperature hit. A safety crew using jet ski watercraft and a helicopter were on hand in case any rider ran into trouble in the churning seas. Red Bull Storm Chase Sports Director Klaus Boget said this year's event was the most difficult competition of any storm chase to date. Red Bull worked with meteorologists to nail down the exact time and location of the. Just as surfers go on a watch before mavericks, so are the windsurfers alerted 120 hours ahead of storm chase. The rider list is, the competition began Sunday and finished on Big. Read Mike Moffat's and send him news tips at a. From left Robbie Swift GBR, Philip Kuster GER, Stone AUS, Leon Jammer GER stand at the award ceremony at the Red Bull Storm Chase in Maggiororty, Ireland on March 12, 2019. Stone was the first. Search for location/city.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.